Hi traders, Anthony here. Just having a look at Bitcoin. I've got it up on a 2-hour chart here, and I mean, I'm perma-bull, I would say, pretty much, but a little bit cautious at this point. I'd like to see a setup if we, say, pull a range through here. I'd like to see this roll over here and give me a reason to go long. All right, so at the moment, there's no real setup presenting itself, but if we do get a little bit of traction here and we break this range on the lower time frame, if we go down to say a 30-minute chart, yeah, I mean, I'd like to see perhaps this range cracked on the 30-minute, retest and fail here and a setup. Then I would look to trade this range then to the upside. So be careful here. You know, if we break to the downside, I'd be looking for a retest of this low, and then I'd be inclined to commit to a short if we fail here. So I mean, quick video, that's my take. We've got a bit of room to move if we gain a bit of traction here. We've got another little green candle forming, so that could be a thing. And guys, I'd like to invite you to join my free Telegram channel. The link's below the video in the description. There's daily videos, trade ideas, and we have a daily market report there. And with that, have a great day and see you in the next video.